This problem is for black to play, and the goal is to make a ko in order to have a chance to stay alive. And this is actually a very basic pattern. You're going to see this in games, I'm sure. And the correct move is just to make this eye. And black might have a chance to make an eye here, it seems, but it's actually very easy for white to come in. White can come in like this. And here will be a ko, and black captures first. So this is actually not optimal for white. A better way for white to respond is to play this. And the best black can do is to throw in, and throw in again. In this ko, white captures first. By playing at 2, white gets to capture first in this ko. So this is the correct answer for black, although it doesn't look very ideal. So if white wins the ko, white will be able to capture black like this. If black wins the ko, then black will be able to live by capturing these 2 white stones. Now back to the original problem. What if black plays here? Then white can play here and kill black. You can work on the sequences and variations from these 2 moves. What if black plays here? And the answer is white can still play here. Black will still be dead. Again, work on the variations and sequences yourself and see what happens. So the main takeaway, I guess, would be this basic pattern for black to make a code to stay alive. Play here, make this eye first, and let white contest this other real eye on the corner. Thank you for watching.